Kaya ako parang nag-quit ng ML. Nangyari sa phone mo.
What? No, I have a
Hindi
new
nag-quit ng
phone.
ML yan, naglalaro yan.
Di talaga.
Oo, di na daw.
Hindi na.
I deleted it. She's gonna sell her account for some reason. I don't know. I'm vlogging you.
Makain ka pa ba?
I'm flashing you. Wow.
Oh!
Oh, no, wala.
Nagugulay pa.
Okay. We are walking blind. Well, not really. There's okay.
Nagpupuyat ka pa.
More walking. Since I did not jogging, we're gonna walk. Not my idea, by the way. We have we have our own background music. Copyrighted ba to? I feel like that's copyrighted, so I'm gonna blur that out.
Oo naman. Ayoko. Bakit?
We're in a town now. We're a village. Village looking